Okay, so we're going to do a quick rerun through making turnbuckles. We've had a request from people on our new YouTube channel. So basically we're going to do just one turnbuckle quickly. So we've got, you know, your tools to put it all together. We've got some grease, your turnbuckles, your balls, turnbuckle, or your rod end, sorry, Tekno, pliers, shock pliers, and a drill. And I'll walk you through it quickly with the one. Click all your balls in. Now you can use chapstick. I tend to use this white grease, only because I've got it there. You can use some black CVA grease or the black grease that comes in the kit. It doesn't really matter. Tool straight through the eyelet. I like to wind it in a couple of times. Just makes it easier when you're adjusting. Get that one off. Get this one ready. Spin it around in your chuck. This one's your left-handed one. Wind it in. Wind it out. Now when I'm building these, I generally leave them level with the ends of the threads, just so that they're roughly even, and then I just adjust it once it's on the car. There we go. That's how you build a Torridin.